Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to the previous topic, that is string. Today is the last day of the string topic. In next coming class, I will start linked list. Okay. So this is our data structure series. So till now I completed introduction. First class was the introduction class. There I discussed all the topic, what topic we will cover. So in that class I define each term, and second class I completed array, and I already completed a program on array that is in a separate playlist. So that's why I don't didn't want to repeat again. So in that class, I discuss only array and the operation on the array, and I also covered matrix. And in this series, I saw what operation we perform on matrix, and we do some program on matrix also. And now we are today is the third or fourth class of string, and so today is the last class for a string. Next coming class, I will start linked list. Uh, Now we are covering what operation we perform on string. Okay. So today we start from the another operation. So today I want to cover all the topic that is remain the string. So today I will cover all the things fastly. So I will copy paste the code and I will run only. Okay. I don't want to write again and again, because if I will type all the things, then it will take 2 or 3 hours. So that's why uh, I want to complete today these topics, so that I will copy paste the code, and here it is my notes. This I will explain all the things here. Okay, so let's get a start. It first today I start from compare part. Okay, in this lecture, firstly we will see how we can compare two. Okay, suppose that here a string s1 equal to abc, and we already know that a string will be in a double quote mark. Okay, so here string s1 abc and s2 also abc. If we compare both a string, then it will print result as yes, both are equal. Okay, and second case also, both a string is not containing anything. Okay, so in this both a string also equal, so it will print yes. In third example, I take one string that is ira sani and second one is ira, so it will print no, because both are not equal. So we will see how we can compare. Okay, we will see three method uh, here how we can compare. Suppose that here I am going to take one class here, string compare. Okay, inside this, inside main, I write to a string abc and a string 2, that is abc d, and here I use if condition. Inside this I am going to write logic here. So I already wrote. So s1 equals, this is inbuilt method. Okay, equals, so s1 equal s2. Here both s1 and s2 are not equal, so it will print no. Okay, so we can see this thing with the help of example also. I already done all that. So this one I am going to compare. Okay, s1 equal to x2 here. If that I so run this program, so it print no, because both are not equal. Okay, we add the, then it will print yes. Okay, so this one is first of approach, and second approach is this one. Okay, here I use s1 dot compare to s2. Okay, equal to 0. If both are equal, then it will print yes, and if not equal, then no. In this case also, it is working. Okay, this is second approach. Okay, this one I just now I saw. Here I take another twist, and here compare, we are comparing to a string using compare to. S1 dot compare to S2 equal to 0. Just now I saw. Then this one is third approach. Okay. Here what we do, and this program is written in C++. Okay. So simply I use here return type is boolean and method name is rstring equal, and here we pass to a string at the rate means address of a string, string 1, string 2. So here I write condition here s1 dot length is not equal to, if length is not equal or both a string length is not equal, then it will return false. Okay. Then I use for loop that start from and it to s1 dot length plus plus 1. If s1 dot all character that contains s1 string is not equal to s2 uh, of I, then it will return false, and unless it will return true. In main we take to a string, okay, and we are going to call that method. Okay, we passing both string s1 and s2, and if both are equal, then it will print yes. In C++ we use dot. Okay, and then so let's move to the another topic, that is concatenation of to a string. Okay, concatenation means simply plus. Okay, we will going to add. Okay, hello world. Okay, so if S1 is hello and S2 is world, then output will come hello world. Okay, simply it is joining hello world and result is hello world. Okay, good morning. S1 is good and S2 is morning. The output will be will get good morning. Okay, so we will do it is simple. Okay, so I take one class here, main here, and we take two string s1 and s2 hello world, and simply we will add here and we will store in a result that is string data type, and we going to print here already here. So we run, then you will get hello world. So let's move to the another. Here we use concatenation, but here we use custom method. Okay, previous case we use inbuilt method. So here what we will do, firstly in main will we take two string s1 hello and s2 world. Okay. So here we call concat method. In that concat method we going to pass s1 and s2. Okay. And here return type is a string. Okay. String and result. So we let's move and we print this result. Okay. So we let's move what we wrote here in concat method. Concat that contains string 1 and s2. Here we passed, and here return type is string. If you want to learn this thing, if you have confusing in this topic how we pass and return, we already covered this topic. You can see in my playlist Java theory. Okay, there you can easily understand how we can pass, how can we return. Okay. Okay. So here inside this method, what I did here, uh, I take another string builder here. In this string builder, I want to store the result. Okay. So string builder, I created one string builder. Okay. So for firstly, we store the all the character which present in a string one. Okay. For that, I use for each loop. Okay. And here is one dot to char array. That is a string inbuilt method. Okay. Through this, we can get all the character that is present in a string one. Okay. That going to store in a character C variable. Okay. So here by using uh, uh, result dot append, that is inbuilt method of a string builder. Okay. So in this, I pass character so that all character which is present in a string one will store in this result. Okay. So again I use for each loop for a string two. So again I use same thing s2 dot to char array. So for that we can get all the character which present in a string 2, and I store that character in character C, and again I result dot append C. So in this way we got all the character which present in a string 1 and a string 2 will store in a result variable. And again, what I did here, return type is string, so I return it here. And here what I did, I convert this string builder reference variable to a string form. So we got output. Okay, so same thing I did here in this eclipse concatenation part in string we pass to same thing. Need to explain again. So you want to check the result, to run it. Hello world. Okay. I don't want to write again and again because just now I completed. I did this coding part when I discussed this thing in a Hindi lecture. Okay. So let's move to the next topic. And what is the time complexity? Big of m plus n, where m is the length, m and n are the length of a string. Okay. So next topic is how reverse a string. Okay. This is basic question. I think you already know this topic. Okay. So but you can reverse a string by so many techniques like recursion and by traversing for loop in opposite direction. Means you start from last character and it will move to the zero index. Okay, like that. And you can use a stack also for reversing a string. Okay, so I will discuss all this. So let's see. So suppose here Irasani, okay, given a string, then you will get reverse like this. ABCD, then you will get reverse like that. Okay. So I think you already did this thing so many times. Firstly, you take one class here, you create one method here. In method, you pass a string. In main, you already wrote what a string you want to write. Then you take one string here, and here you call in main call reverse a string method. In this, we pass a string. So s here, and here return type is string. So string result. Okay, one string result. Okay, and we print here. And here what I did here, I want to store the result in a string builder. Okay, so I take a string builder result, new string builder, and I start I write for loop that start from last index and the zero, so that I use enter here. And I use build method of string builder, that is append. Okay, that will add all the character in a string builder. Okay, and inside this I use one inbuilt method, that is s dot caret. Through that you can get all the character which present in a string. So this is basic thing, you already know that. I already did this program, run it and check. The same thing I did. Why didn't do, but okay, that one is basic program, so I didn't write that thing. So next we will see, we do this reverse program by using pointer. Okay, we take two pointer, one pointer will be left and another pointer will be right. Okay, so left pointer will move from left to right and right pointer will move from right to left, and it will be move till when both pointer reach at the same position. Like that we do this way. And and it is moving, and right will that is character will is present at a left pointer will swap to the right, and right at the right pointer what character is stored there, that will swapped with the left. Okay, like this it will go. Okay, when both uh, with reach at the move toward the center of a string. Okay, it will going till the both the pointer move to the center of a string. So for that, uh, I take one class inside the firstly take one string here. I call that method inside this. Okay, this method I pass a string. So let's move to the method part. What logic I write here? Reverse string string s. Okay. So in this I take one pointer left and right. Left means we start from zero index and right means start from last index is dot length minus one. Minus one is because it start from zero. And I store will same. I will store the result in a string builder. Okay, result. So firstly, I will this loop will run till when left is less than right. Okay. Firstly, we will write condition left is less than right. Then this will run. Okay. This is for the swapping purpose. So firstly, here what I did here result dot char at dot left. Okay. Whatever character present in a left. Okay, that will be stored this thing, and this character will temporarily store in this temporary variable, okay, temp. Okay, and this result dot set caret, this is inbuilt method of which one, string builder. Okay, so this is used for the swapping purpose, means this result dot caret, that whatever the character present at the right, that will swapped when come to the left. Okay, and again the character which present at a right, that will be stored to the temp. Okay, so in this manner swapping will happen. And this will and in this case already discussed that left will be incremented and right will be decremented, and this process will be do when both will reach at the same, means mid position of a string. Okay, so like this reverse will be happen, and here we use this return type as string, so return result to a string, means a string builder will convert it to again a string. Okay, I already did check the output here, it is working or not. So which one is this one, two pointer. Okay, same thing whatever I discuss here just now I did here. Okay, if you are not getting things, then you can repeat this playlist and you can get it. So run it. So we got the correct output reverse. So let's move to the next topic, that is by using recursion we how we get reverse. So in this recursion, what I did, what is the logic behind it? Firstly, see here. In main, I take one string here and I call the reverse string. Okay, so move to the reverse string. What logic I write inside this reverse string? In this reverse string, I pass a string. Okay, return type is string, no problem. Then firstly, what I did, I convert this string to char array so that you can get all the character which present in a given string, and that is I store in a character array. Okay, okay. So here I again call reverse string recursion method. Okay, inside this I pass this character array and it start from zero index, and it will and I pass another, that is array dot length, means first index and last index. Okay, and here I am going to return new string so that this character array will convert to the string. So let's move to the reverse string recursion. What logic I write here inside this? So a static void reverse string, here I pass character array and int left and int right. Okay, left means starting index, R means right index. Firstly, I write the condition here. If left, always left should be less than equal to R. Okay, right. But if left is greater than R, then it will return. Okay. So after that, I am going to write swapping logic. Okay. So in left, whatever character present in a left, so that will store in a temp variable. Okay, and that right side character will copy in the left side. Okay, left side character array. Again, then right side character array will store the value of temp, means that is left side. Okay, this manner swapping will happen. And what you know that recursion is what, calling function itself. Okay, so this will call the same function again and again. Reverse a string recursion. Okay, same function. Recursion means calling function itself. Okay, and here s and Here's some differences here. Here it is in previous lecture what we say, left side is increment and right will be decrement. So same thing happened. Left will increment and right will, and it will continue till both will reach at the same point. Okay, or the middle point you can say. So in this manner we get reverse string. Okay, so we already did this in program. So we will check the output only. So reverse string recursion, run it. So here got whatever I discussed here, I did here. So we got the correct output. Here given a string is ABCD, we got E. So let's move to the next. That is stack. Okay. By stack, how you can reverse a string. Okay. So I take one class here. Uh, Firstly in main, I take one string here. I call the same reverse string that is passing a string here. Static string, return type is string, reverse string is. Yes. In this, I am going to create one stack that is generic type, that is character. Okay. Means it will store only character type object. So what we will do here, firstly, I use for loop for push character in a stack. Means how you can add the character in a stack. Use push method here. Okay. So in this, I start for zero index and it will go to the s dot length. Okay. So inside this, what I did was firstly s dot char at I. Means through this we can get all the character which present in a given string s. Okay, and that will be pushed in a given stack. Okay, so in a stack we uh, push all the element whatever the character present in a string we push in a stack. Okay, so after that we will store the result in a string builder. Okay, so that's why I create one string builder. Okay, here. Okay, for storing the result in a string builder, again I have to pop the all the character from a stack. Okay, so again I use for loop here, and firstly for storing the content in a string builder, for that I have to pop out the all the character from a stack. So st dot pop, so all the atom um, will come from this stack and will store in this result result dot append.